Welcome back to the gaming family. Today, let me show you a quick guide on how you can download and install Genshin Impact on your PC. First, open your web browser and visit the web page. Once you're there, scroll down and click the PC download button to get the Genshin Impact Installer exe file. After the download completes, open the file to launch the installer. Agree to the terms if needed. Use the advanced option to choose a different install path. Click Install Now, and once the installation finishes, click Run Now. In the Genshin Impact client, click Get Game to start installing the game files. After that, click Install, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.